how to take off one of these grain bags. There's a way of doing it where, okay, this thread here, we just pull that thread out. There's a way of doing it where it just all of a sudden opens up and pulls it. It's like, that's not it. Like, so we do it the simple way. Cut the son of a bitch, and then we go down here. It must be down here where it affects the whole damn thing, right? Where, yeah. I can't see a farmer with sausage fingers playing around with this, yet I've seen them. Oh, look at that! I've seen them pull on these things. It goes ding, 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 and bam, it opens up. And it's like, fuck, how did you fucking do that? That's not going to do it. That's just going to take way too long. I can't see a farmer doing that. Okay, let's try this side. Okay, this side has 2 fingers there. See that? It's 2 little openings. Open it up. Come on, baby. You dance on me. Fuck! Like fucking Christ, you stupid fucking grain bag. It's a 50-50 thing of whether or not I can get these damn things open. And it should. It's just like ding, 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 and it pulls. It should pull up. Oh, look at that. Look at that, folks. Hey, you just cut it, and away we go. Ba-ba-ba, grain bag's open. Yeah.